Hello everyone, today we will be solving today's leetcode challenge. Find eventual save state. Here the problem statement mentions that there is a directed edge graph of n nodes with each node of labeled from 0 to n minus 1, and this is an zero indexed 2D integer array. And here it is mentioned that a node is a terminal node if there are no outgoing edges, and a node is a safer node if every possible path starting from that node leads to a terminal node. Return an array containing all the safe nodes of the graph. So uh, here we have to find it is clearly mentioned that the answer contains the terminal nodes and also the nodes which lead to terminal node in every path that starts from that particular node. So for suppose there is a node I and every path starting from node I will lead to a terminal node, then node I will be a safer node. So the approach of this problem starts with a topological sort. So here in the topological sort, we'll be calculating the out degree of every node and will uh, also form a matrix from this given matrix in which each here in the given matrix it is mentioned that uh, through what are the destinations of that particular index it is given in our new array will form a matrix such that what are the sources of that particular node. So let's try to do this. So we'll keep a list, we'll declare a list, this list contains data in such a way that each node, each index I contains the source nodes of that particular node I. So we'll initialize a new array list for every index. And now we'll be traversing the original array. And here we'll declare an out integer array for calculating the out degree. So here I'll be traversing the sources of the given input array. So we have to add the nodes in such a way that we'll be adding the sources of that node. Here I'll be incrementing the out degree of the source vertex. So for a topological sort using BFS, we should have a queue. So I'm declaring a queue. So after that, we'll be trying to find the nodes which have out degree 0. That means we are trying to find the terminal nodes initially. So if we find them, we will be adding them to the queue. So after that, we'll be traversing the queue until it is empty. So we'll pull the value from the queue and this should be added to the answer. So we'll declare a integer array list, sorry. So after that, we have to find the source vertexes, source nodes of this node. So here we'll be reducing the out degree, decrementing the out degree of this one. So after that, if at any point out degree of the source vertex will become 0, then we have to add it to the queue. After that, we'll be getting answer, but so here in the question it is mentioned that the answer should be sorted in the ascending order. So we'll use collections for sorting. And we'll be returning. So let's try it. Oh, it seems there is an error. Okay. Oh, there is already. Okay. So I'll be declaring an integer for that. Graph dot length. We'll check for other errors. Okay, it got run. So we'll try to submit it. That's it. We have did the problem. So let's meet for solving tomorrow's problem. Bye.